When it comes to health and safety, meeting legislation and managing insurance premiums, vehicle camera technology is becoming an increasingly popular and effective solution for operators. That is why we spoke with John Bricknell, MD of Autofix, and Mick Barber, MD of ParkSafe Automotive. They gave us an expert insight into camera solutions for your commercial vehicle operation. They spoke to us about the benefits vehicle cameras can have for things such as health and safety, reducing insurance premiums, meeting Transport for London legislation, and what the future holds for the development and use of this technology.
Companies are now starting to see that there's more cyclists on the road. Okay, accidents were on the increase. Health and safety is starting to come out now more so. Insurances and everything else are demanding to reduce it. So the reason why we're seeing more and more reversing cameras, side cameras, forward-facing cameras out in the market at the moment is simple. It's to reduce accidents, it's to protect the driver, it's to protect the people around you.
Certainly health and safety is quite an important factor in the UK market or any European market, really, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
The benefits for any insurance company, even if they recognise it or not recognise it, they certainly should be, is for any unwanted claims.
But you have no proof if you've got no camera systems or any recording facility. So I think there's the benefit for insurances. In the long term, yes, I think they will recognise systems to reduce the cost of insurance going forward, but I think at this, obviously at this time, it is about reducing your time and your costs in your business.
In regards to TFL, there is a variety of requirements depending on the application, depending on the vehicle. For example, on heavy goods vehicles, you would require a side or step scan system mainly on the near side, because that's where more so the cyclists are going on the near side. So when you're turning left, you would get an external siren saying this vehicle is turning left. So that's one of the requirements on the heavy goods.
There's lots of different rules out there, and trying to obviously explain it in one go is difficult. The best thing to do is obviously discuss that when you're looking at getting your vehicle, so obviously we can then decide on what systems you need. Okay, so when fitting obviously the ParkSafe systems, they can vary from the forward-facing camera to a full quad system camera, which has got 4 cameras. So when you're talking about how easy are they to install, some products obviously are easier and quicker to install than others. So the forward-facing camera is obviously easier to install, only takes about 25 minutes to install on average. However, when you start going for a full-blown reversing system, cameras for looking out for bikes, that can take up to 3 to 4 hours per vehicle. And again, if you're looking at HGV, that can take slightly longer. So I think the future of cameras, yes, they'll probably get smaller. Yes, the clarity is becoming HD. Will it get better than that? Well, obviously things move on and everything improves in visual quality. But I do think the 360 camera view, bird's eye view, will start to become obviously the norm, especially in the aftermarket. I know ParkSafe's now testing one. It looks great, so I can see that becoming the norm over the next few years.